Where do emotions come from? It has both confused and fascinated behavioral scientists since the beginning of psychology's history. Before Watson and Rayner's astounding study that pioneered new psychological territory, Freud dominated the field. He believed that humans are motivated by unconscious instincts and repressed conflicts from early childhood. Basically, he believed that emotion is generated through instinct and biology. Then came Watson and Rayner, psychologists who were trying to better understand and explain the conditioning of emotional responses due to certain stimuli in the environment. In other words, show how our emotional reactions are products of learning and conditioning rather than instinct and biology, which would disprove Freud's view and mean emotions could be experimentally conditioned. So, how did they conduct this study? The subject, Albert, was recruited for the study at 9 months old as an orphan. He was healthy both emotionally and physically. At first, he was presented with a white rat, bunny, monkey, dog, masks without hair, and white wool. He had no fear of any of them. He had neutral stimuli. Next, they presented the unconditioned response, the loud noise. At first, Albert was very interested in the rat, but once the noise came, he became very frightened. The process was repeated, and after 7 pairings of noise and rat, the rat was given alone, and he was still extremely scared. A fear response was conditioned to the object that hadn't been feared before. He also generalized the white bunny with negative responses and other objects as well. Human emotion is conditioned through simple stimulus, and Freud was wrong.